welcome back to my channel, The Crafting Chemist. Today we are going to be looking at how to crochet in the round. I'm going to illustrate this using the single crochet stitch. And so starting off, I already have my slip knot going, and so for single crochet I'm going to chain 2. And then to go in the round, basically with a single crochet, I'm going to just single crochet 6 stitches into this first chain that I made. Not all patterns call for it, but quite a few patterns do have 6 single crochets in your first, so that's what I'm doing. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I like to loop around my tail for the first few rows. I'm just doing it for the first to illustrate it. I do that so it's less having to weave in later at the end of my project. At this point, I'm going to insert my stitch marker so that I know where the beginning of the row is. Now, how you proceed all depends on what pattern you're using. Some ask you to continue on without joining, some say to join. I'm going to illustrate how both works. To do another round without joining, I'm just going to continue on for a second row as before, as if I didn't have to jump from row 1 to 2. So that's basically, I'm going around for 6 stitches again, which is illustrated as so. Now to do for with joining, I am going to, first off, once I complete my 6 stitches, I'm going to undo my stitch holder and put it on for my new row. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a slip stitch into the following stitch to designate the next row. So that is basically, you go in, you grab a loop, you pull it out, and you pull through. This allows for a clear ending of the row. I'm going to chain 1 here to start it, and then I'm just going to go around again. This is going to be for my next row, and that is how you do going in the round with joining. So that is about it. A lot of times when you're going in the round like this, you're going to do increased stitches in order to keep this flat, unless you are wanting the more bell curve of your project to form. But again, that's all of what your pattern is asking. I'm just here to show you the basics of how the stitches work for in the round. But yeah, as you can see, I've got a bell forming here, or a little bowl shape. But yeah, that is how you do the round. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again for my next video. Have a great day. Bye.